The procurement team received a single-line item that looked ordinary at first glance, but the specifications told a different story. The equipment was an Eaton BladeUPS 12 kilowatts, rack-mountable, 6U, designed for 400 VAC input and output, with a 30A rating and a modular architecture built for demanding environments. Mara, the infrastructure manager, had seen enough power systems to know that the real value was never in the brochure language. Her data center was growing faster than the budget, the cooling system was already under pressure, and every additional rack made the room feel more crowded and more fragile. A conventional UPS would solve one problem and create 3 more. The BladeUPS arrived with a promise that mattered: scalability without disruption. Its plug-and-play parallel design meant the system could detect added modules automatically and configure itself for operation. For Mara, that was not convenience. It was continuity. If the business needed 12 kilowatts today and 60 kilowatts tomorrow, the architecture could grow with it instead of forcing a costly replacement cycle. Installation day became the first test of that promise. The hardware slid into the rack with precision, occupying far less space than the older unit it replaced. What looked like a power product on paper behaved like an operational strategy in practice. Then came the difficult part, the part executives always underestimated: heat. Traditional modular UPS systems had already pushed the cooling team to the edge, but this unit changed the equation by dissipating only a fraction of the heat. The lower thermal load reduced hot spots near the equipment racks and helped the facilities team revisit air conditioning plans that had been treated as fixed costs. By the end of the week, the results were clear. The server room had more usable space, the cooling demand had eased, and the backup power system was no longer a bottleneck in the expansion roadmap. The BladeUPS did not simply protect equipment during an outage. It gave the organization a practical way to scale, save space, and control operating costs without compromising reliability. Mara filed the final report with a rare note of satisfaction. In a business where downtime was expensive and growth was relentless, the best infrastructure decision was the one that solved today's capacity problem while leaving room for tomorrow. The BladeUPS had done exactly that.